Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today, damn, this is pretty nice right here. Like that. It is low. It's Mustang GT. So, anyways, I'm back over here at Auto Mafia. We're getting the car dialed in finally. We got the injectors in, some ID 1050s, and should have plenty of fuel now. Plenty of fuel to make some power. So, let's get this going. It's gonna be a good day. Car's gonna be fun. So, there she is right there. She's on the dyno already. Let's get it.
What do you think it'll make?
What I think? I mean, I'll be happy with 550-ish.
I'm thinking maybe, as a test, maybe 520 to be safe.
Oh, yeah.
Easy to
I mean, he's not even all the way on it, and it's almost at 500. Run number three. Alright guys, so we're running at 500 volts. 97 was the last pull. The problem is we need more torque. We need more torque. So yeah, so we need more torque. This is where we're at with the car. I'm very happy though. I need more boost. We're only at 9 pounds, so we need I'm gonna add a boost controller, turn it up a little bit more here in a few months. I'm gonna have fun with the 500 for now. Let's see where we're at. It's a fun car though. The car died on us, but it's nothing to do with the tune. It's got to do everything. I think that scavenge pump is pulling too much power, and it's screwing around with the charging system. So I'm gonna have to figure out something else for a pump or something that you could figure out a different way of powering it. I don't know. But as of right now, I mean, it's once we put a jump box on it, it started right up. It's just for some reason I think the scavenge pump is pulling too much power, and it's not enough juice to start the car, and it's screwing with the whole, because the car died, and it's screwing with the whole charging system, and it threw a bunch of coals, and it's just, so we need to figure out something else with that with the scavenge pump. But I don't know. But other than that, the car pulls like a train. It just stays pulling. That's the most fun part about it. It just stays pulling, and it just like a hard pull, not like the Pro Charger works. It goes. The Pro Charger went, but this one is just more like kick you in the balls, go. You know, just So I'm really happy with the power. The tune came out good. Kaleb has been awesome tuning the car. He was out there last night. Today's Sunday. Saturday night we were tuning. He was getting the idle dialed in, just he wanted, because I needed to be able to drive the car with the new injectors. So I cannot ask more of a tuner. Kaleb has been awesome. Auto Mafia Racing, you guys rock. Anybody who needs a tune for a 3.7 or anything, look, he's going to tune a 5.0 right now, so we're going to take a look at that too. But yeah, anybody who's looking for a tune for a 3.7, hit up Kaleb, Auto Mafia Racing. He's got all the highest horsepower ones, so it makes sense to come to Kaleb. All right guys, so car's coming home. Car's running really good. It's, for some reason, I don't know why. I don't know if the alternator's going out or my battery's pretty new, so I don't know. I'm gonna have both tested. But as you can see there, voltage stays about 13. Sometimes it goes down to 12.5. So I don't know. So I don't know if it's just that that scavenge pump is pulling a lot, or the alternator's starting to go. Because I'm gonna have everything checked. It's not that big of a deal either way. If I gotta get a new alternator, gotta get a new alternator. But the car's pulling good. The car's pulling good. Let me see if I could show you a quick pull here. It's right about 9 pounds of boost. That's where it stays at. There you go. The car moves. See, I'll show you again. Damn thing moves. Definitely fun. It's like I was saying, it's just a completely different feeling car with the Pro Charger. And I'm only at 9 pounds. The Pro Charger, I was up to 15 pounds sometimes. So boost controller is gonna happen soon. I'm not gonna just keep messing with swapping springs. I don't want to do that. I want to have something that I can just dial it in and be done with it, and that's boost controller. So that's gonna be the easiest, most efficient way of doing it. I mean, I don't want to deal with swapping springs, trying to figure out, oh, where we're gonna land at with boosts and stuff like that. So it's just more reliable to have just a good boost controller on the car. But yeah, other than that, the car's running good. I mean, the temps are staying low. I mean, I'm really happy with it. I'm really happy with it. So I'm at a point where, I don't know, part of me is like, yeah, we could go more with it, push it more. But I don't know, I'm gonna just hold on. Just play with this for a little while at this boost level. And the thing is, the drivability is actually, so many people, and I was one of those. So many people would say, oh, the drivability is awesome on a Pro Charger. Makes for a great daily driver, and it did, but this has even better drivability. I'll give you that, because the car feels bone stock until about, I think Kaleb set it up to boost come in now about 3,500. Yeah, so I mean, this kit is laggy. I'll give it that. The kit is laggy, and to me it takes a little long, but the turbos, I've said it before in the other videos, I think the turbos are too big. But it is what it is. I got the turbo kit for a really good deal. I'm not gonna say how much, because it's not how I do things. But I got a really good deal. So, and I had to fix a few things on the kit, but overall the kit's performing pretty good. So I am happy with that, and the tuning has been great. Kaleb has been 100% awesome. Like I said before, he's tuning me late at night. On weekends to Sunday, and we had it on the dyno. I mean, you really can't ask much more from the tuner. I mean, he's going above and beyond to make sure that, you know, that I'm happy with the car, and you know, you can't really beat that. You can't beat that. So customer service, you know, not having to wait, you know, 4 or 5 days just to get a return email, or taking a week or more to dial in a car. That is something of the past, and I don't have to worry about that stuff anymore, because that's how long it used to take me, a good week just to dial in a car. Just send one log in, wait till the next day to get the data log back. And, you know, that gets old. But anyways guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, comment, give us a thumbs up. We got more fun stuff coming up with this car. I know we've been a little V6 content heavy, but I mean, you don't see a lot of twin turbo V6s, so why the hell not? So I'm gonna work on the few little issues with the car right now, like the alternator and stuff, but that's not a big deal. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll throw in the code for this video is so all right, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.